Hello, my name is Max, and today I would like to provide a quick overview to our OMNIKEY SE Reader Core Autonomous Mode and Card Processing Engine, CPE. The OMNIKEY SE Reader Core supports autonomous mode, which allows the host device to seamlessly receive data read from the credential. Autonomous mode requires the following steps to operate correctly. Credential keys preparation. The reader comes already provisioned with proper credential keys. Configure autonomous mode. Enter autonomous mode. After entering autonomous mode, the reader automatically sends the data to the host over UART or Weekend interface whenever there is a card presented to the reader. The output format of the data is configurable. The entire autonomous readout flow can be divided into the following stages. Interface polling. Polling 3 different interfaces, Bluetooth Low Energy, HF and LF. Reader runs polling or pinger mode with configurable interval. BLE is handled simultaneously. Reader is designed to handle HF, LF and BLE hazards in a way that HF and LF always have higher priority. Protocol polling. It is possible to select which of the protocols are to be polled for both LF and HF. The enabling, disabling and order of HF protocols polling is set using the reader configuration. An array contains the protocols to be used in polling with the order. If a particular protocol is not inserted, it will not be used during polling. ECP, if enabled, must be put as the first or last protocol to be polled. Card Data Readout Engine. Whenever Credential responds to any polling, readout of the data is performed. Card Data Formatting Engine. If data is read, data is sent to the formatting engine and then to the host device. To configure autonomous mode, use the external reader API's config set config param command or configuration via file or through OMNIKEY Reader Manager. Screen capture shows autonomous configuration options under OMNIKEY Reader Manager. RF priority selection selects what is the priority of RF interfaces. Polling mode. Reader can be configured to skip pinger and to immediately run polling procedure. Faster credential readout but higher power consumption. BLE on pinger. To save power, reader can turn on BLE only after object has been detected by the pinger. Enhanced polling. Reader will still poll different protocols if card readout has failed. Can be used for multi-tech credentials. Allows the user to read general cards data even if not configured, like CSN. Any card report? Reader will report basic data, type CSN, even from cards which could not be read correctly or were not configured to be read. Works best with enhanced polling feature enabled. Card Processing Engine, CPE, is a feature of OMNIKEY SE Reader Core which is used to automatically read PACS and/or custom data and/or CSN from the credential in autonomous mode. When configured, if a card is presented to the reader over any PHY, HF, LF or Bluetooth LE, and the reader is in autonomous mode, it will behave according to the configuration. Read the card type. Read the card CSN. Read out selected memory container if possible, if card is known and/or correct keys are available. Report data. Report invalid card error if set to do that. The main engine reads the data from credentials based on the provided configuration. It uses a list of OIDs which define the behavior of the reader when a particular card is detected. Each OID stores one procedure in the card data readout engine and is used to process a single card in a specific way. It is possible to process multiple data containers within one card, therefore each of the entries includes a set of actions. Screen capture shows card processing engine options under OMNIKEY Reader Manager. To add procedure for a particular card type, a procedure contains C card type, COs, MyFair Classic, iClass / PicoPass, DesFire, etc. To include set of actions. Each action contains action type custom PACS CSN optional. For custom only, authentication info, algorithm, key OID, etc. Optional for custom only, data container. When data is read from a card, it is immediately pushed to the card data formatting engine. The card data formatting engine is responsible for preparing the data in a pre-configured format to send to the host. If a card is detected, but the card data readout engine is not configured to read this type of card or could not authenticate it due to incorrect keys, the basic card data is still pushed to the card data formatting engine. In this case, it can be configured to either send basic data like CSN plus card type, or to send the data only after successful authentication authorization. If so, only known card data is sent. If an unknown card is used, Card Processing Engine will remain silent. Screen capture shows card data formatter options under OMNIKEY Reader Manager. Card data formatter. There are 10 configuration slots which allow you to configure the data output formatting. Each slot can store the configuration for one card type. You can configure a slot to format LF or HF card output. For HF credentials, it is possible to format particular data type, CSN, PAX, custom, and optionally discard any of them if needed. CSN formatting options are divided into Weigand and UART formats with separate configurations. Content consists of CBOR encoded card formatter configuration. A single slot must store the configuration for only one type of card, LF or HF, otherwise the configuration will be rejected. The configuration will also be rejected if there are duplicate card settings. Here is the end of this video. Thank you for watching.